Hello. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. So you are not audible.
आता येतोय का? Guys, let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I think my headset having some issues. Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice.
So you can start the session now.
Okay. Let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, good evening. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishal Kulkarni. I have total 8 years of experience as a data analyst. I have completed my engineering from information technology, and I have also pursued MBA. After that, I have worked in Tech Mahindra as an AI architect. After that, uh, I have also experience in as a data science and AI trainer. After that, in the last 6.5 years, I have trained almost 800 plus students as a data analyst and data science. So what are my previous company? Let me wait 1 minute. Make it very quick. Hello. Okay. So total, total 8 years of experience. In that 8 years of experience, I have worked for multiple MNCs. So PhonePe, Infosys, Deloitte are the these are my past companies. Currently, I'm working in a Tech Mahindra as an AI architect. So we will go for the see, guys, why we have joined this class or why we want to join this course. First, we will talk about that and then we will move towards. See, in this last 6 years to 7 years, we can say there is a trending happens, lots of openings for the data analyst as well as data science and data engineer position also. Okay, so what do you think? Data analyst and data scientist is same post? It is the same roles and responsibility for both? Guys, please put up in chat box. This is two-way communication, guys. No. Very good. So what do you mean? What is the data analyst will do? Or no, both are different. Good, good, Deepak. So yeah, data analyst and data scientist definitely different, guys. Data science, we can say data analyst people will more analyzing the data. Okay. So what happens actually I will tell you one by one. Let me open the Excel. First, we will see what these people are doing, what data engineers will do, what data analysts will do, what data scientists will do, and then we will move towards. Okay. So data analyst. First, we will take a data engineer. Then data analyst, and then data science. Or we can say AI, AI or GenAI developer. Okay. So data engineers, what these people will do, guys? These people are simply using ETL tool. Now, what is the ETL tool? ETL tool means they are extracting the data from the source. Oh, what happened here? They are simply extracting the data and loading into the target tables, or we can say destination. Okay, this is the main roles and responsibility of the yeah, extracting the data extracting the data and loading into the target or destination tables. Now tell me, data engineers, how they will extract the data? So for the extracting the data, we have different types of tools. So what are the tools are there? So we have on-premises tools like SSIS, okay, Informatica. And for cloud, we have ADF, Azure Data Factory, Azure. Okay. So these all tools are used to extract the data from the source and load it into the destination. So what is meant by ETL? So ETL is nothing but the extract, transform, and load. Okay. ETL means extract, transform, and load. So what these people will do, suppose you have huge data set. Okay. So you can say you have billions and trillions of record. In that scenario, this EDF data pipeline, I think most of the times you heard the one word data pipeline, data pipeline. What is it exactly, data pipeline? So data pipeline means it is simply the making a connection from source to your target or destination. So whatever the connection, this is nothing but your what data pipeline guide. So if someone asks what is the data pipeline, so data pipeline is nothing but it is simply making the connection between source and target. Now I will give you a real-time example. At your home, you have the water tank at your means suppose that you have in apartment flat in your apartment. So what happens? We have a tap, right? Water tap. In that tap, how the water will come? So first that water will stored in your water tank, okay, and by the pipeline, that water comes to your aquaguard or some water purifier, and then that water purifier will clean the data, transform the data, means clean the water, and then that water will store it into one pot. कोई तो एक पॉट में आप स्टोर करते हैं और फिर वो पानी आप पीते हो. तो इसका मतलब ये जो है एक्सट्रैक्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म एंड लोड, ये जो रियल टाइम एग्जांपल वट एवर आई एम गिवन यू, दैट इज अ रियल टाइम एग्जांपल. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट डेटा इंजीनियर विल डू? फर्स्ट ये क्लियर कर लेते, देन वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स डेटा साइंटिस्ट क्या करता है, डेटा एनालिस्ट क्या. ठीक है, वी हैव टू मेक thoroughly, okay, we have to clear the concept thoroughly. So what is the data analyst? Data analyst will do normally, it will analyze the data and create the visualization, or we can say visualization and report. So what they will do? First, they will create the data set. So what is the role of data analyst? They will create the data model. Okay. Then they will analyze the data, and then they will create the dashboards and reports in the Power BI. So this is the main roles and responsibility of the data analyst. Now come to the data scientist or AI or GenAI developer, what these people will do. So why these three these three in trending now? Because in data scientist, it is the highest trending job search. If you go in Google and ask them how what is the vacancies will open will be created by end of the 226. So I have an data. Okay, so almost 1 million vacancies will be creating till 2026. If you search here, Google, I will search you in front of you. How many vacancies will be the, how many vacancies will be there in 2026? Now, if you search here for AI or data science, data scientist, put down. Now you will get the idea. See, by 2026, over 1 million AI and data science professional will be needed in the India alone. Means, see, whatever the data I have recorded here, it is not in air, guys. कुछ भी number लिखना है इसलिए number नहीं लिखा हुआ है. I have created these slides on the basis of current data. So 1 million means what? How many? 10 lakhs, right? So if there will be the 10 lakhs requirement end of the 2026, then just think, if you have that skill set, you will get a easily job, right? So this is the trend, and Google, whatever he has, see, this is the AI mode, right? Means if you go here, they have analyzed the previous data. On that basis, they have predicted this 1 million data science professionals will be needed in India. Because why this is true? Now, if you see lots of mobile, they are selling mobile with AI, AI enabled mobile, AI enabled cars, AI enabled TV, AI enabled home appliances. Even your AC is also AI enabled. What this mean? So this means that we require a professional, because when they are saying AI enabled, means it should be the automatics, it should be think, it should be behave like a human. Now come to the data scientist profile, what these people will do, why they are trending nowadays. So these people first, they will analyze the data, okay, analyze the data, provide the insights, provide the insights. Now, what is meant by insights? Insights means, guys, suppose any company, we will take one example. We have one company, manufacturing company, we have a data for their inventory, their sales, for everything. We have a data, right? So we need to predict how many material or how many inventory we need to be stored before Diwali, right? Diwali is the occasion, or some Indian occasions, festivals are there. So in that occasion, they will require high demand. So for to satisfy that demand, what this company will do? They will analyze the previous data, and on that previous data, what happens in previous year, okay, previous year festival, before that previous year festival, they will analyze the data. They are going to provide the insights, and then they will create a model, machine learning model, and they will train the model. Now, what is this model? Okay, model, it is simply, guys, suppose we want to predict something, right? I will give you one example. There is a data like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, I will ask you, 2 answer is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25, and 6 is question. This is the data, guys. Now tell me, what will be the answer here? Put down your answers in chat box. Come on. Just put down your answers. What will be the answer here? 36. Good. Now just think why you have given me answer 36. Because you have analyzed this pattern. 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25. It simply means, suppose if I take this is the X and this is the Y. So what you did, you tried to find out the relation between X and Y. You got Y is equal to X multiplied by X. It means simply means X square, right? So you have given this pattern. Now, if you provide this data to any model or even a computer, if you train the data like this, see, if you got this value, and if the any value will come, then you have to put down y equal to x into x. So what we are doing in data scientist, we are simply developing the different types of models. So how we are going to develop? There are different algorithms. So in machine learning, we have KNN algorithm, logistic regression, linear regression, then your support vector machine, right? Decision tree. There are lots of algorithms are there. Some of the models how we have to use effectively. That is also we need to check it out in this course. Okay. Then we have also required GenAI. Now, what is GenAI? So it is very interesting topic. I will give you one idea. See, this is the Gemini models. Okay. First, tell me what are the GenAI models. So, ChatGPT, it is the GenAI, right? And then you can say you are a Gemini, then you are DeepSeek, and these all are the GenAI models. You can say there are different types of GenAI models I have listed in sheets. Now tell me what GPT, what ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, is it working? Suppose if I ask them, what is highest qualification for my son? Suppose I ask him, what or in which standard is, we can say, in which standard my son is in school. Now, if I ask this question, what do you think? They know everything. Tell me. Let's see. We will see the practical. Based on Common India School age criteria 2025 to 2026 academics, your depends on the age. It means my son is only 8 months old. What they are saying, according to they have not given me particular specific answer, right? But they have generated his answer in proper format. Okay. So in this scenario, he doesn't have my son data. अगर इसके पास मेरे जो सन है उसका डेटा ही अवेलेबल नहीं है, he will not able to answer my question. Okay, what this mean? अगर आपको डेटा साइंटिस्ट बनना है, if you want to take make a good data scientist or AI engineer, you will require the data. So you have to analyze the data first. This is the basic criteria. You have to analyze the data. ये करते आना चाहिए आपको. तो how we are going to do? We are simply using the Python and SQL. So in data analyst and data scientist, we required Python and SQL to analyze the data. So in the analyze phase, we require data handling techniques. So what are the data handling techniques? I will tell you in the session. Then we have to create the model. And how we are going to create a model? By using the machine learning algorithm. So we have different types of algorithm. By using the machine learning algorithm, we are going to. Then what is the GenAI? So we have to create some AI agent or React agent by using LLM. Now, what in this word we have three LLM. One is with the ChatGPT, that is with USA. DeepSeek is with China, and third one is the Gemini, that is again from the US. So it means India doesn't have their own LLM because it will require lot of the money, lot of the space, lot of the resources, lot of the things will require. Okay, इसलिए LLM जो इंडिया के पास नहीं है. But can we create AI agent by using this LLM model? Definitely, we can create. So वो कैसे create करना है? We will see. Now we will see. Okay. Now is it clear, guys? What data science will do, what data analyst will do, and what data engineers will do. Now, most of the question, people having a question, sir, I am from non-IT background, so is it helpful for me? सर अगर इनमें आईटी से नहीं हो या मुझे प्रोग्रामिंग का पी भी पता नहीं है तो मैं कर सकता हूँ क्या, ये कोर्स कर सकता हूँ क्या? तो ये बैच बेसिकली डेटा एनालिस्ट एंड डेटा साइंटिस्ट के लिए. ओके, in data scientist or data analyst, first I will tell you the syllabus. We will require SQL, then Power BI, then we required Python. After that, we will go for the Excel. Whereas in data scientist, we require SQL, Power BI, Python, then machine learning, then deep learning, then GenAI. We will also see the NLP, natural language processing. So what is the NLP and these all the things I will tell you. Now, if you see here, these three elements are common, guys. Now, why this common? See, without analyze the model, without providing the insights, you cannot create the data or AI model or machine learning model. So you will require the data analyst skill. अगर आपके पास data analyst की skill है, तभी आप data scientist बन सकते हो, right? So if you join this data scientist, you have a benefit. क्या benefit है आपके पास? आप as a AI engineer join कर सकते हो, मतलब आपके पास वैकेंसी रहेगी. उसके बाद you can go for the Power BI developer. After that, you can also go for the SQL developer. You can also go for the data science engineer. You can also go for the prompt engineer. It means you can, if you join this course, data scientist, you will get all the skill set of data analyst. So you no need to worry. सर मैं अगर डेटा साइंटिस्ट करता हूँ तो मुझे डेटा एनालिस्ट सीखने को मिलेगा क्या? 101%. योर सिलेबस इज सेम. उल्टा डेटा साइंटिस्ट में यू विल गेट दिस मोर स्किल सेट, जेन एआई, machine learning, these all the things, right? Then you can go for the AI engineer, Power BI developer, SQL developer, data science engineer, prompt engineer. You can also go for the data analyst. It means if you join this course, these 6 positions, it is open for you guys, right? So you can apply for AI engineer, you can apply for Power BI developer, you can apply for SQL developer, you can apply for data science engineer, prompt engineer, data analyst. It means this course will give you whole and soul opportunity in the market. आप बोलोगे सर ये तो सभी के पास रहेगा, कॉम्पिटिटर्स भी तो है मार्केट में. डेफिनेटली गाइस कॉम्पिटिटर्स है, बट व्हाट यू विल गेट, वी विल ट्राई टू, we will focus more on practicals, not theoreticals. बाकी जगह आप किसी से भी पूछो, हम क्या करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे लर्नोमेट में प्रैक्टिकल्स के ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं. So practicals means in, suppose we have a session for 1.5 hour. So in this 1.5 hour session, we will take 45 minutes theory and 45 minutes practice. of your course. It means in this scenario, in 1.5 hour session, whatever the teaching I am going to provide you, you can learn that things properly. I will try to clear your concepts from the scratch. Though you don't know P programming P, अगर आपको प्रोग्रामिंग का पी भी पता नहीं है तो भी मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, आपको सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है वो भी मैं बताने वाला हूँ. एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, आई विल टीच यू इन बोथ लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश प्लस हिंदी. वाई इंग्लिश और हिंदी? मुझे इंग्लिश आती नहीं, ऐसा कोई सिनेरियो है क्या? नहीं. Problem is with some of people, they are not easily understand the English. This is fact. तो होता क्या है, अगर कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक है और मैं आपको समझाने जाता हूँ, then most of the people are not able to understand, और वैसे ही मैं आगे नहीं जा सकता. ये मेरे लर्नोमेट का खासियत है. Whenever you are joining here, I will 101% give you assurance that whatever the topic we are going to conduct here in the session, 100% understanding I will ensure for you. Everyone. मतलब अगर मेरी बैच में 30 पीपल है और 30 स्टूडेंट में से 25 लोगों को समझ में आया, 5 लोगों को नहीं समझ में आया, I will try to explain this for you guys first, and then we will move all these 30 students for the next topic. So this first day I will give you 101% assurance from my side. कभी भी अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आता है, यू कैन अनम्यूट दैट टाइम, यू कैन आस्क सर ये क्या है, ये प्लीज एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो क्या? तो लाइक दिस वी इट्स हैपनिंग इन माय बैच. ओके. सेकंड थिंग, what types of project we are giving. Most important, in a week you will get at least 4 assignment in Python for a Python, or we can say machine learning and GenAI course. Means I will give you ample of assignment every day. So what happens if you do the practice day by day, you automatically fluent in your programming. So we will take at least one assignment every day or once in a means 2 दिन में एक बार ऐसे ले सकते, right? After that, we will take a 2 projects, and that projects are very professional, and whatever the online projects I'm doing in my company, I will not show you that data, but I will give you such type of scenarios. Some of the projects we will take from the Kaggle. So that is a real-time project. We will try to sort out that case studies, how to develop the data machine learning models, how to develop the algorithms and all these things. Okay. After that, we will also support you for the placements. Okay. For the placements, we have our own placement team. They are going to help you for the placement. Also, we are help you for the getting the Naukri profile and LinkedIn profile. So we have HR team. They will help you how to develop the Naukri profile or LinkedIn profile. After this, we will also taking your interview preparation, means how to answer the questions for your interview. अगर कोई इंटरव्यू में जाते हो, व्हाट इज द एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम द इंटरव्यूअर? ये बहुत बार होता है कि बहुत लोगों को समझ में तो आता है, बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्लेन एनी क्वेश्चन. बहुत बार होता है. तो हाउ वी कैन डू दैट? तो वी विल टेक वन मॉक इंटरव्यू, मीन्स ट्वाइस इन अ वीक. 2 वीक में एक बार हम एटलीस्ट एक मॉक इंटरव्यू ले लेते हैं, तो वो थियोरेटिकल एज वेल एज प्रैक्टिकल रहेगी. तो उसमें कहाँ पे आप लैगिंग हो रहे हैं उसके ऊपर हम फोकस करके फिर उसको कैसे हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं, उसमें कैसे हम फ्लुएंट कर सकते हैं, वो चीज पे ऊपर हम फोकस करते हैं. सो दिस इज आवर basically roadmap. Now we will see, this is the PDF. So see, I already told you that there will be the 1 million vacancies by 2026 for the AI. Job growth 101%. One of my student who working in testing field. Okay, he was working with manual testing. वो manual testing में काम करता था. He joined my course. He got today 26 lakhs per annum. Means from 17, 16 to he got directly 26 lakhs. So just think, if you do this course, 101% you are also doing this, you are also able to get these types of packages. तो इसके लिए कहीं पैकेज मिलना ये ठीक है, बट उसके लिए first you have to train yourself, and I am going to help you for this, so don't worry about that. Okay, now you, most of the people having doubts, sir मैं तो BSc हूँ, मैं BCom हूँ, मैं BA हूँ. Now tell me, अगर आपको ये सब चीजें आती है, कौन सी वाली? I will tell you. If you know SQL, if you know Power BI, if you know Python, if you know machine learning and deep learning, NLP, and AI, why company will reject you? They will not reject you because, yeah, some of the company having the criteria, they want engineers. But trust me, guys, my BSc student, BA student or BCom student getting a more packages than engineers. मैं किसी को ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but मैं, क्योंकि इनके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं रहता. इनको पता है मैं अगर इसको डेडिकेशन के साथ में कंप्लीट करता हूँ, आई विल गेट अ गुड पैकेजेस. Now, if 10 million jobs are going to open in the market, you should be the one of from them. So what we have to do, we have to simply give the 1.5 hour in the class and 1 hour at home. That's it. तो अगर असाइनमेंट आप टाइम टू टाइम करते हो, 1.5 hour आप डेली सेशन ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, you will also get a good packages. Though you are from the नॉन आईटी बैकग्राउंड, तो आप बोलोगे सर नॉन आईटी बैकग्राउंड है तो कैसे, मुझे नहीं समझ में आया तो क्या, तो कैसे, मतलब हाउ आई कैन डेवलप. सो ये चीज आप मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट माई फर्स्ट बैच. मैं तो मैं फर्स्ट आपके सामने आके ये नहीं चीजें बता रहा. आई ऑलरेडी हैविंग अ लॉट्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. आई नो हाउ टू टीच, राइट, and how much time we have to provide particular topics, किस टॉपिक को कितना टाइम देना, ये सब चीजें हमें पता है. So don't worry about that. Now another thing, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं सर BSc BCom को जॉब मिलते हैं क्या? मेरी टीम में मैंने जो बोला आपको 800 स्टूडेंट मैंने ट्रेन किया है, उसमें से मेरे पास जो आप बोलोगे तो 570 समथिंग स्टूडेंट जो है वो नॉन आईटी बैकग्राउंड से. Means they are not engineers, they are BA, BCom, BSc. So my अभी तक का मेरा ट्रेंड बता रहा हूँ, मेरे BSc के स्टूडेंट को ज्यादा जॉब मिला है. क्यों? और BCom के स्टूडेंट को ज्यादा जॉब मिला है. क्यों बताए? क्योंकि these peoples are doing dedication with dedication because they don't have any option. इंजीनियर्स बोलते कि ठीक है यार, मतलब मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर रहेगा, वो बोलता है अगर ये नहीं करूंगा तो मैं प्रोडक्शन में काम कर लूंगा. They have option, but BSc, BCom, BA, these students doesn't have option, so they are going to make more concentration on the topic. Now we will see how these things happens. We will see. So these are the higher trending roles: AI engineers, machine learning engineer, AI product manager, and prompt engineer. So ये लोग क्या करते हैं? तो जेन एआई डेवलपर क्या करता है? दे आर सिंपली बिल्डिंग द एआई enabled application with the help of LLM. तो you can think, गाइस क्या लगता है आपको चैटबॉट बनाने में कितना टाइम लगता होगा? 2-3 महीने? You can't trust guys, for the creation of चैटबॉट, जो हम चैटबॉट बनाते हैं ना, बहुत सारी कंपनी के पास रहता है. आप देखो, कॉल करो किसी को, ICICI या HDFC बैंक को, you will get one AI agent and they are talking with you. तो वो चीज डेवलप करने के लिए I required only half an hour, and I will tell you how to do that. I will tell you कि ये हम बैच में बनाएंगे कि कैसे हम वो AI एजेंट कैसे क्रिएट करना. Even I have created one more application, AI application, doctor application. अगर आप symptoms डालते हो, gender डालते हो, and आप बताते हो कि हाँ मुझे fever है, मुझे headache है, whatever the symptoms you have, if you put down your gender, age, then they will prescribe you to the medicine. को कितनी medicine लेना है, how much quantity you have to take that medicine, all the details you will get. तो उस टाइप के एप्लीकेशन हम बनाते हैं 10 या 15 मिनट. It is very easy. Don't worry. I will tell you. Then we will also go for next. So what is the data science, machine learning? I already told you. Okay. Now, how? There is only 1 minute. What we are going to cover? So we are going to cover the Python, SQL. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Sorry, there are some network issues. So we are going to cover here Python, SQL, machine learning, NLP, GNAI. So total, if you see, total tenure will be the 5 months, guys. Yeah, 5 months. And in next 5 months, we are going to cover the A2I projects, chatbot development, model development. We are also conducting the surprise mock interview once in a 15 days. Also, we are helping you to the Naukri profile development. Okay. Then, so GenAI क्या है वो already I have given you. Now, nowadays, this topic is more trending, right? Retrieval augmented generation and LangChain. Now, LangChain, LangGraph. What is this LangChain? What is the LangGraph? What is the RAG? So, RAG, LangChain, LangGraph, these are simply frameworks. Okay. By using this framework, we have to develop the application. तो LangChain क्या होता है? उसमें different types of tools आप बना सकते हो. And उसमें सिस्टम डेवलप टूल्स रहते हैं ऑलरेडी और हम भी यूजर ऑल्सो कैन डेवलप द टूल्स. तो वो कैसे बनाना है, ऑल द थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू इन द सेशन. नाउ this all this course data scientist and AI engineer. So if you join the data analyst, okay, that will take up to 3.5 months, 3 months. Okay, 3 months. Yeah. And if you join the data science and AI, you will get you require the 5 months. So total tenure will be the 5 months, right? In this is the 5 months for the teaching. After that, we are helping you for the your resume building, your placement, and all these things. Okay. So this is all about my short introduction about the JDA and about this course. Now, this is the last 15 minutes you have. By the way, we are also conducting some of the sessions, free sessions, guys, demo sessions. If you want, you can simply fill your form. You can join the batch. You can join the batch and see how we are going to give you the training and all these things. तो बाकी क्लास में क्या होता है कि वो थियोरेटिकली ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं एंड दे डोंट हैव ना कि मतलब इसको समझ में आया नहीं आया उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं. बट आई कैन टेल यू फ्रॉम फर्स्ट डे तो सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल कैसे करना है वो भी हम बताते हैं. तो जस्ट थिंक अगर सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है वो हम बताते तो जस्ट थिंक कि हर एक कॉन्सेप्ट हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टीच यू इन द डेप्थ. तो ये सब चीजें रहने वाली. Now, this is a question and answer time. So if you have any doubt, any queries in your mind, you can put up in chat box. I will tell you. And by the way, the form they have submitted to you, just fill that form, join the session, guys. Three sessions are there from Monday. And then we are going to, from the fourth session, we require, you have to take admission. Okay, so just fill the form. Our admin team will contact you. The form is already given in the chat box. Free sessions, three sessions will be the free. Okay, three sessions will be the free. So you will get idea what is the teaching pattern. Okay. what will be the fee for data science. So guys, the data, which is the number, 93, even for the fees details and admission details, you can contact to these guys, admission, for the details, admin numbers are given there. You can just contact them, you can ask whatever the queries in your mind. How many days the classes will be in the week? 5 days, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday will be the classes. So each every day we are trying to take 1.5 hour. Uh, Depends, right? But we will try to take it as a 4 days in a week. But sometimes, if as per the requirement, अगर syllabus काफी lag हो रहा है तो we will take 5 days also. Timing we will currently, I think 10 admissions already happened. So we will decide the timing on the basis of your attendance, your availability. तो आप अपना कांटेक्ट कर लो, इनसे बात करो कि जिनका बैच आपका अवेलेबिलिटी उनको बोलो, दे विल गो फॉर the batch. But mostly 7 p.m. Anything else, guys? Just call to number. We will check your availability and we will try to fix your batch in that time. Don't worry. Yeah, timing, Syed, we will tell you once admission done. We will also check your all the people availability, then we will finalize the time. So there is 7 to 8, most probably we are going to go for that. But some of people, if not, they are ready, we will do some thing for them. कुछ तो करेंगे उनके लिए, ठीक है? Don't worry about that. So just fill the form, just attend the session. I will tell you 101% guys. अगर मेरा कोई बंदा उसको अगर 4 लाख से फिर 15 लाख का मिल सकता है या किसी को 15 से 26 लाख का पैकेज मिल सकता है, तो जस्ट थिंक हाउ द अप्रोप्रिएट टीचिंग्स वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग है. बट उसके लिए आपको खुद को पहले डेडिकेशन के साथ उसका स्किल सेट डिटेल में लेना पड़ेगा. देन यू आर एबल टू. प्लीज अनम्यूट, यू कैन अनम्यूट गाइस इफ यू आर रेडी नाउ. कोई भी डाउट है, इंग्लिश नहीं आ रही कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हिंदी में बात करो. आई विल गिव यू योर आंसर. एनीवन हैविंग डाउट और नॉट एबल टू अनम्यूट, ऐसा कोई है क्या? एनी टेस्ट? Yes, yes, I told you right. In in this also, PPT also I told you once in a 15 days. एक तो मॉक इंटरव्यू होगा या सरप्राइज टेस्ट होगा, दोनों में से एक तो कुछ ना कुछ होगा. तो डेफिनेटली टेस्ट आर देयर. Guys, please fill the form, whatever the provided by IBT in the chat box. Anyone having any doubts, please let me know. Kiran, please taking it forward. Yes, placements. Do I get placement on the basis of the things? You will get the assistance. You will get the if somewhere is openings are there, I will on our training or each training will provide you. You have to go there. You have to give the interview. Okay. So yeah, definitely some of the course we are going to help you, and some of the also you how you will get a more cost. That is on Naukri profile, LinkedIn profile also. We are also helping them to develop the paper. Anything else? Just contact our admin team. They will give you all the placements and all these fees structure, all these things. I am from Pakistan. How you will help me? You are from Pakistan, any country. We don't have any issue. I can help you like these people. Anything else, guys? At the end, whether you are the student, right? So you don't have to worry about your country. Can you cover the statistics? Yes. Statistics is a part of the AI. Definitely, we are going to cover that. Actually, standard deviation, variance, mean, mode, median. There are lots of topics are from the statistics. We already covered in the machine learning things. So that is not a separate topic, but that will required in our developing the model. So definitely, we are going to cover the statistics. Do you have offline learning center? Mostly, guys, batches will be the online. Okay. But if they have more students on the offline, then we will think for them. But mostly the will be the online. What is the timing? I'm Sayed, I'm again telling you, just contact your admin team. As per your availability, we will try to fix your timing. So don't worry about the timings, but first fill the form. And if all the people are available for the particular timing, then we are going to decide the time. So don't worry about it. And by the way, I am the working professional, so I can help you. What are the interview questions in the interview people are asking? How to interact with the interviewer? उनका answer कैसे देना है question का? These all the things we are going to help you. So don't worry about this. All the things. Anything else, guys? Please fill the form, and we are going to start from the Monday. Okay. So just uh, take the efforts for next 5 months, and 101% you will get. I am from farm. And I have recently completed the internship, so more things. Yeah, that's good, sir. Our office is also in Karadi. Uh, what is the, yeah, Myra, you just contact our admin team. Okay, you are from Pakistan, so don't worry. You are from Pakistan or whatever the country, we don't have any issue. We will try to get your skill set done more accurately, or we can say कि कितना ज्यादा आपसे वो fluently we can try to provide you more fluency about the data science. That all the things we are going to cover it out. Whatever the internships you already done. So at least 101% it will help you here. Okay. So say just contact the admin team, they will decide you or they will give you all the details. Kiran, you can take it forward. Guys,
Yes,
please
sir.
fill the form.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Okay, you can contact on the numbers that I given in the chat box. Okay. So please contact on that number if you have any doubts regarding timings, syllabus, and fees. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the joining session.